I was wondering if Lisa Cook lives here, or do you rent?
So we're just acquaintances.
Governor, where do you live?
Uh-oh, Lisa just got cooked.
Lisa Cook's financial house is on fire. Naturally, there's a Michigan angle to the story because there's always a Michigan angle to the story. Cook, if you don't know, a governor with the Federal Reserve Bank, has a bank loan on a secondary house in Massachusetts, which the Trump administration alleges she rents out full time. A judge might call that mortgage fraud. Cook also owns a condo in Atlanta, which she claims is her primary residence on banking and government documents. The Trump administration alleges there's evidence that she rents that one too. And that could also be mortgage fraud. There's the Michigan part. Cook has a third home in Ann Arbor, which she also lists as her primary residence on banking and government papers. Lisa must be living in Ann Arbor in the tidy brick house with the columned portico on Jackson Avenue then, right? So I stopped by the house last week. The glass in the storm door was filthy with neglect. A metal lockbox, you know, the kind they use in realty deals so you can come by and get the key out, that hung on a doorknob. It's weird. From the porch, I could see a figure sitting at the dining room table. When I knocked, the door slightly cracked open, only to reveal a white man, partially visible, behind the filthy glass. Now, I don't think Lisa's married. So I'm wondering what this white man's doing, and I say to him, I'm a reporter. He didn't undo the chain. I was wondering if Lisa Cook lives here, or do you rent? I'm going to show you the video proof in a minute. It's hard to hear the guy. But he said to me, no, we're just renters here. He made it clear he didn't feel comfortable with the reporter being on the deteriorating porch. You'll have to talk to the owner, he said. Okay, I said. Is it just you living here? Yeah, he said. Just renting, I asked again. No comment. I'm sorry? It was difficult to hear. The traffic was crackling like an old transistor radio on Jackson Avenue, very busy street. There's a bus stop nearby. You'll have to talk to the owner of the house. And with that, the interview was over. The chain rattled, the door closed, and someone pulled the curtains tight. Now, it's hard to believe Cook could get confused over her mortgage paperwork. Cook is supposed to be a financial sophisticate, a member of the board of governors of the world's most powerful central bank, a bank that sets interest rates that influence the cost of financing a home, mind you. Now, all three mortgages, all three of them, Massachusetts, Atlanta, Ann Arbor, were taken out by Cook in 2021, all within a time span of 2 months, 3 weeks, and 4 days. So you're not going to get confused as to where you're living. And oh, geez, I forgot about that loan I took out 2 weeks ago. Come on. That's cheating. In her 2025 ethics filings, Cook claimed 2 of the properties are her primary residences, so she's still doing it. It wasn't like I did it in 2021. On your ethics filings, you said you had 2 primary residences and the Massachusetts dwelling was an income property. Again, that's cheating. So Trump fired her last week for cause, and 2 criminal referrals against Cook had been referred to the DOJ. For her part, Cook is suing over her firing. Now, Trump is accused of attacking a prominent black woman who refuses to lower interest rates as Trump has demanded. And that might be so, but as far as my motivations go, I'm simply trying to hold the powerful to account. Don't we all want that? When it comes to questions of residency and real estate, you may have seen me on some porches in the past here. 2 Detroit mayors, a current mayoral candidate, a county executive, a county commissioner, a Supreme Court justice, a circuit court judge, a district court judge, a member of Congress, a fire commissioner, a prominent minister, and a major party political treasurer. That's just a dozen. These people were black, they were white, they were male, they were female, they were Democrats, they were Republicans. Don't matter to me. There cannot be 2 sets of rules. One for the elites who scam their way into favorable financial terms, and another for the rest of us who endure audits, foreclosures, and repossession. Now, Cook's got 3 basic questions to answer. 1, was she renting the properties when she was supposed to be sleeping at them? 2, did she claim rental income on her tax forms? And 3, where does she actually live? Because it sure to hell ain't Ann Arbor. Now, if you're listening, it's muddled. I told you what the guy said, but this is just for everybody. This is how the day went. I want you to see it. Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook has 3 homes and big troubles. She claimed to the banks that she lived at all of them, but real estate records show she listed 2 of them for rent. That's not legal. So Lisa must be living here in Ann Arbor at the 3rd house, right? The door's dirty. There's a key lockbox right there. There's a white man at the dining room table. It's weird. I don't think she's married.
Hello?
How you doing?
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. My name's Charlie. I'm a reporter. This house is in the news. I was wondering if Lisa Cook lives here, or do you rent?
No, we're just renting, so you'll have to...
I'm sorry?
We'll have to talk to the owner.
Okay, you just living here?
Yeah.
Okay, just renting?
No contact.
I'm sorry?
You'll have to talk to the owner of the house.
Okay, the owner, would you have a contact number? Oh. We'll have to talk to the owner. They're just living here. Oh. Governor? Where do you live?